Alright, there we go. Jayco Micro Tundra. Gusto ko tong Airstream na to. Airstream, I like this Airstream. Aluminum siya, stainless aluminum. Aluminum ba? Airstream, ang ganda. Wow, I like this Airstream. Dito dapat sana tayo kung maliliit lang na site. Kung malaki yung kinuha natin, pang 50 amperes, pang bus, saka pang fifth wheel. Tingnan natin bukas kung makalipat tayo dito. Dapat dito lang tayo sa mga maliliit. We'll see. Wow, Vista Cruiser. Oh, here, bullet. Dapat dito lang tayo mga ganito, maliliit. Kasi
there's a
dito
bacon there.
where?
Right in the middle.
We'll see tomorrow.
There's two.
Andito sila Rio sa cabin. Asan yung sa atin na? Yun, tayo lang pinakamaliit. Huwag na mo. Puma! Tayo lang pinakamaliit. Andun yung Puma! Puma! Puma patay. Hello guys! We're in Jasper guys. Camping. Two of us. Okay, tignan natin itong cabin. Itong cabin dito guys. Ang ganda ng cabin dito guys. Yan ang mga cabin dito guys. $200 per night. $200 per night.
Tesla car is coming, approaching. Watch out.
Tesla.
That car is very expensive.
Tesla. Ano lang yan? Tesla na yan. Cybertruck. Ayaw ko rin ng Tesla pag may nalo ko ng loto. Trailer sa North Carolina. Galing pa sa California sa North Carolina. Itong dalawang trailer. Oh, Airstream. There you go. Wow. There you go. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
There you go. Alright. We're going to Jasper. Ikot tayo dito. Dito sila Ray. Which cabin are they?
Maganda yung cabin na yan, oh. Parang maliit na house.
Kaya lang $200 per night. It's like, oh man.
Nice. Oh, I think they have a kitchen inside too because they have there's a propane.
Oh, there you go. I see Ray. That's the car of Ray.